It's Maine gone global, it's Maine gone global, baby. We in Italy with it. Left Spain yesterday. Barcelona and Tosse de Mar and Montserrat. That's all the places I went. Then hit the outskirts. But now we in Napoli, however you said. And then I got up early today, guys. I got up early. So I took some melatonin and went to sleep early. Around like 1 here. And I got up. I woke up about 8, actually about 7:53. But I laid there a little longer. But baby, I'm happy to be here, grateful. Thank God for this opportunity. I'm here now, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Yeah, man, we definitely finna do our thing out here, baby. We finna eat good. I don't know if I'm a party out here like that, man. I need a break. I need a break from partying because the next place I'm go, it's like one of the party capitals in the world. I need to save some energy for there. Did my birthday next week, so you know I'm gonna do it crazy, do it big. But look behind me, I'm just showing you guys a little surroundings. I want my face in the camera because I want y'all to tell me what look better, me or the scenery. Hey, we out here though, man, for real. I love it out here already, man. I think I might love it. I don't know. I ain't gonna say I love it more than Spain yet. I just wait till I go to that place I go tomorrow though. A lot of things to do today. I'm out early today. I ain't got to rush. That's a beautiful feeling, baby. But we out here, man. Thank the Lord. Thank God for everything, all his blessings, and thank everybody who watching my videos and everybody who support me to do these things. Hey, we out here though, baby. We out here. Let's think about it. And just been a car accident right there. I didn't see anything. I didn't see anything, guys. I didn't see anything. I saw it, but I didn't see nothing. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. Just wait till you see my video tomorrow. It's gonna be great. I mean, the next video. Dog eat dog. Survivor of the fittest. Battle Royale, WWE Royal Rumble, going over the top rope. So let me walk and talk to y'all for a little bit. I'm going to this site. It's one of the bigger attractions, I guess. It's like, I forgot the name of it. It's like it's really huge. I think it's a church or something like that. I don't know the name of it. I'll type it in the video. So don't fret, don't get mad, don't come in my comments saying, oh, you uneducated, you don't know what's going on. I don't like that. I told you, man, I don't plan this stuff out. Dude just gave me a map. He just gave me a map and told me to encircle. That's why I like to go to hostels sometimes, like especially here, because I didn't plan on coming here. I mean, I didn't plan on going nowhere, but like, I just saw a cheap flight. It was like $60 to get here, so I decided to take it. And like, why not? Because I have some plans for this place. I'm trying to tell you, man, I got some plans for Italy, dog. But yeah. Oh, I think that's the church right there. Look at this architecture, man. This is so beautiful, man. You just can't find anything like this in the United States. I'm just being honest, like United States and America, it's beautiful. Like every country has things that's beautiful about it. But this right here, like you just can't find architecture and things like this. Yeah, it's beautiful in here, dog. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and gals, dogs and cats. I think what I like the most about other countries is the architecture, man. It's different, man. It's very different. Like, look at this. You don't have things like this everywhere in the world, just certain places. You guys deserve to be here to see this. You can do it too, I promise. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm in Naples. If I don't have more info on this place in the video, I will have it in the link in the description. So you guys can just look it up yourselves, man. Like, not look it up yourselves, but you know, just see it's a free site to come see, to come, you know, appreciate somebody else's culture, appreciate something outside of your norm. Sometimes you have to understand it's not all about you. It's not all about you. It's not all about us. It's not all about America. I'm from America. A lot of people in America think it's all about us. Inadvertently, we don't think that, like, we don't try, but it can be like that. We don't think it's a world outside of our own world. And that's just not with Americans, that's just anybody. It's a world outside of our own world, and you should explore it. So you never know what you may find. You never know what you may find. That was just a quick pit stop. I didn't even know that was on the way. I had someone who at the hostel told me about it. He gave me a map, but that wasn't what he told me about. I'm walking to I think a cathedral. But yeah, what do I say? You deserve to be here. That's my motto, man. I might as well put that on a shirt or something. You deserve to be here. Finally made it. Now this is what I came to see, guys. Let me duck down so you can get the, oh, look at that, boy. Look at that, boy. That's fire though. You can't say that ain't beautiful. If you say it ain't beautiful, something wrong with you. Seriously. Or maybe it might not be your speed though. But yeah. Put the name, I'll put the name in the video in the description of where I went. So I had to come in. It was free. I was looking at walking tours. Don't pay for a walking tour to come here. It's absolutely free to come in, but I had to come in. The low light settings may be bad, but I don't care. You have to see this. You have to come see this. The place is called Duomo. I may be saying it wrong, but don't worry about it. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can see for yourself. Don't pay a walking tour. Come see it yourself. The walking tour will, I mean, they'll give you history and everything. You can find the history online. Just read it. It's free to get in here. It was $23 for the walking tour. I wouldn't, or 23 euros. So that's probably like 27, 28 USD. And I don't know about any other country conversions, but come see this, man. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. This is on the side. Wait till I get to the front. I had my hat on. I wasn't thinking. I had to take it off. Just a sign of respect. You don't wear your hat anywhere religious or holy, you know, so that's on me. Just wasn't thinking. But yeah, it's just so beautiful. This may be absolutely garbage in low light. I don't care. You have to see this. Yeah, I put a link in the bottom about the history of it, where to go, the directions. It's not hard, guys. I put a link though. Also, be extremely respectful when you come here. If you come here, if you're not gonna be respectful, if you're gonna belittle anything about anybody's religion or anything, don't come here. That is not the place for it. The internet, YouTube comments, you can speak your peace of mind anywhere you want to, man, but don't do it here. Just don't do it here. One thing I think I noticed is these back streets right here is where more people are. Like these alleys, kind of like off the, not the main road, but some of the main roads or streets, I guess. These are locals coming to get this pizza like that. These aren't tourists. I always speak to the locals. I'll put the link in the description. It's but I'll put the link. You know I will. I got you guys. Come here and eat. Say the best pizza in Naples or Napoli. Yep, table 15. Yeah, I got past a 50-minute wait outside because I was by myself. Yep, table 15. Yeah, I got past a 50-minute wait because I chose to eat inside. And lucky me, man. Favored by God, man. Everything I'm doing, God's touching. So I skipped the 50-minute wait because I was by myself and came in. Chose to dine in. Thank you. So we're about to try the real Italian pizza. I got the margarita. Let's see what it's hitting for. Let's go. Let's bite into it. Let you know what it tastes like. Ain't got no time to talk. The pizza was delicious. It was a different taste, like fresh. I can't explain it. You deserve to taste it yourself. One thing I can say is definitely get an authentic feel. I mean, duh, I'm in Italy. But one thing I want to say is if I didn't say the name of the restaurant, I don't see the name in here. La Antica, however you say it, I'm not sure. But one thing I will do, I will put the link in the description. So you guys, you know, just in case. It's the best, they say it's the best Italian pizza in Naples or Napoli, however you want to say it. That whole pizza was $5.50, €5.50. Well, $5.50, so 5.50, 5.50. Do you know in American money that's probably like $6 maybe? I had a big old pizza. I had and a drink. It was delicious though. It was a different taste. I don't know, like a fresh taste. I can't explain it, but it was very good. Make sure you guys come here. Make sure you go. Make sure you go. A local sent me there. 38,000 reviews. 38,000 reviews. All of them good. I just woke up from a power nap, dog. Like, I just woke up from a power nap, man. I slept so good. Didn't mean to sleep that long. It wasn't that long though. But it was too long regardless. But I didn't even, that pizza put me to sleep. It was that good. You know when something put you to sleep, you know it's good. But I think I got 2 more locations I might go today, maybe, quite possibly. I gotta check something out real quick, the price of something, and I'll be right back. I think I might check the beach out real quick while it's still a little bit of daylight. This is a successful day so far. I really didn't plan on my first day at places. I don't plan to do too much, but tomorrow it's gonna be a big boy day. Strap your britches up. No, I don't say britches. Sometimes I do. That's a down south thing though. Strap your britches up. Everywhere I go and I was trying to find out where the I can't tell you exactly where I was going until tomorrow because it'll ruin my video. But everywhere I go and ask for help, no matter where I am, Spain, Europe, Cartagena, the 3 countries I've been to on my travels as of right now, people always help. They don't mind helping, man. As long as you come to them with a smile on your face or something like that, everything will be okay. Hold on, I'm getting a phone call. I'll call you guys. Hi. Hey. I love Italy too. Yesterday, we got here late, around 8:30 p.m. Guys, I love it here too. I just love it, man. Food good. First thing I had was pizza. Everybody said go get the pizza. Well, not every, yeah, they said go get the pizza. But one of the locals told me to go get it from that place I ate from earlier. It was good. It was different. I wasn't used to it. It caught me off guard, but in a good way off guard. I was expecting to bite into it and taste like an American style pizza just a little bit. It was totally different. It was 100% different. But yeah, man, this is my little segment right here where I'm gonna talk to you for a little bit, tell you deserve to be here, get out here if you can, you know, save up some money, or if you got the money to do it and you've been contemplating, just do it. I want you guys to be here. I want you guys to have fun. I want you guys to experience life. If traveling isn't like the main thing you want to do, and you want to do something else like start a business or anything you want to do, you can do it. I'm not gonna tell you that you could jump so high you can reach Jupiter, you know, but keep it within the realms of physics. But you can do anything humanly possible. If someone done it, if someone did it, it could be done again, and it could be done better. Don't ever sell yourself short on your dreams because somebody tell you can't do it. You're gonna get kidnapped in other countries. Be careful. Like, I understand that, but listen, I can get kidnapped in the United States just as fast as anywhere else. I don't know why people sit around and act like United States is just the safest place in the world, because it's not. You know, people are generally nice everywhere you go. I mean, you have other people who isn't, and that's okay. Just don't surround yourself around those people. When you around those people, just get away from them. The traffic's getting pretty bad though, so I'm gonna cut this short. Now this might be the coolest thing I've seen all day and anywhere I've been. You can get gas on the side of the street, like literally. There's the road right there while you're driving. Quick pit stop right here in Naples, Italy. I did not know that. That's cool. Much as I hate pulling over and going to gas stations, because I always try to wait till the last second, or I'm always feeling like I'm in a hurry. And you got somebody who will service you too. Woo! Through that long tunnel, but hey, at the end of the day, I think it was worth it. If you can't see that on my video, don't worry, I'll get a better shot. Lord, man, I think oh, hey, how you go? How you guys doing?
Thank you.
For sure.
Number one.
Yeah, man. People love when you come out here and show love to, you show love to their country, man. They show love back to you. But I'm coming back out here tomorrow. But yeah, as I was saying, Myrtle Beach, yeah, I want to do people take it for granted like I do. Like living out here, because I'm here, I can never take this for granted. It's too beautiful, man. Time I've been saying pizzeria wrong. I thought it was pronounced different in Italy. It's pizzeria. I've been saying it wrong the whole time. So don't laugh at me. I just like to make sure I say the right thing. That's why I'm coming back and starting this video just like that. So don't laugh. Also, I never told you where I was going when I was walking through that tunnel. I was coming to the Villa Comunale. If I'm saying it right, Villa Comunale. I'll put, like I said, I'll put it in the description. I'll type the name of the video. I mean, name of the place too. Naples is more beautiful than what I saw in Barcelona and Tosse de Mar when it comes to, it's more beautiful when it comes to architecture, at least from what I see. Just colorful buildings. They got the palm trees here too. I didn't go through all of Spain. I kind of went up that coastline, but from what I'm seeing, just the architecture and all that, it's kind of sad that I won't be able to go through Spain. I mean, Italy like I want to. I won't be here for that many days. This was kind of more like a quick stop, so I'm trying to pile in all this for you. And I came to Naples because everybody, like, I feel like this is one of the most underrated places on the planet right now, because everybody talks about the trash, and it's no worse than the United States somewhere. Like, if you really want to go to New York City, Manhattan is like, come on now, like, we're not gonna do that. And Manhattan don't look nowhere near. New York City don't have the beauty and the warm weather and the trees and the vibe and the food. Well, they got food. United States got some good food, but I'm just saying in general, you can't throw stones if you're living in a glass house. You know what I mean? So make sure, don't live nowhere. You can't live anywhere. Everywhere has its bad places. And Naples, man, it's beautiful. I mean, I don't have anything bad to say so far.